Hello everybody. Today I just installed Windows 11. I just received the update and it's perfect. It works perfect. It's the best. Let's see. Here we have my Windows 11 Microsoft Windows version 21H2. OS build 22005.51. It's awesome. It looks great. There it is. What else can I show you when we have here open in Windows Terminal, which is something pretty amazing. So let's say let's open this in terminal, and it's something here it is amazing. It's perfect. It looks quite a bit like Linux, except that it's much better than Linux, and even the settings interfaces changed. We can still move all this to left like this, but I prefer it in center. What can I say? It's great. It's perfect. Thanks y'all for watching.